ओके फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन टू यू ऑल इन माय न्यू सेशन। दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हैं? हम ये आशा रखते हैं कि आप अपने घरों में सुरक्षित होंगे। आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड एट योर होम। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड आवर सिलेबस that we are studying exercise 13.3 of the chapter surface areas and volume, and the topic is conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. So friends, in this session we are going to study few questions of exercise 13.3. Here we are going to discuss now the question number 3. In this question it is given that a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So dear students, as we have discussed already, हमेशा हम आपको ये इन्फॉर्म करते रहते हैं कि क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग आपको जब तक समझ में नहीं आए तब तक आप क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे। एक बार नहीं, उसको कितनी बार आपको पढ़ना पड़े, यू हैव टू रीड इट टिल द मीनिंग यू आर नॉट गेटिंग। आफ्टर गेटिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन, देन यू जस्ट स्टार्ट द सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन एंड इजिली यू कैन गेट द आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन। इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज सेइंग दैट a 20 meter deep well, एक कुआं होता है। कुआं, इसका शेप सिलेंडर का शेप का होता है। इन दिस वेल इट्स डीप, इट इज 20 मीटर डीप। अब ये 20 मीटर डीप है, कुएं का शेप सिलेंडर का शेप का होता है, तो ये डीप मीन्स इट इज द हाइट ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर। इट इज द हाइट ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर व्हाट? 20 मीटर। A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter, और उस कुएं का diameter 7 meter है। If diameter of that cylindrical well is 7 meter, so radius will be 7 by 2 means 3.5 meter. इसको खोदा जाता है, तो उसको खोदने के बाद जो मिट्टी उसमें से निकलती है means the earth from the digging is, जो उस कुएं को खोदने के बाद जो उसकी मिट्टी निकलती है, उस मिट्टी को दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्प्रेड आउट टू फॉर्म अ प्लेटफॉर्म, उसको एक प्लेटफॉर्म के फॉर्म में रखा जाता है। एंड दैट प्लेटफॉर्म हुज लेंथ इज 22 मीटर एंड ब्रेड्थ इज 14 मीटर, उस प्लेटफॉर्म का लेंथ 22 मीटर और ब्रेड्थ 14 मीटर है। देन इट इज क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग आफ्टर स्प्रेड डाउन दैट अर्थ, उस मिट्टी को स्प्रेड करने पर इन अ क्यूबॉइडल फॉर्म, बिकॉज इट्स लेंथ ब्रेड्थ इज गिवन एंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ दैट प्लेटफॉर्म। मीन्स उस मिट्टी को जब उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रखा जाएगा तो वो मिट्टी कितने हाइट तक आएगी। सो एज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड फ्रॉम वन शेप टू अनदर शेप, ये हम सीख रहे हैं, और इसमें हमने आपको पहले ही क्वेश्चन से विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स वी हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड कि अब सोचो दिस सिलेंड्रिकल वेल, इससे जो मिट्टी निकल रही है मीन्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सिलेंड्रिकल वेल। वो वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सिलेंड्रिकल वेल विल बी इक्वल्स टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट क्यूबॉइडल प्लेटफॉर्म। सो लेट अस डिस्कस द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन डियर फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई होप आप सबको क्वेश्चन अच्छे से समझ में आएगा और आपको मजा भी आएगा इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट डाउन all the information related to this question. So for the cylindrical well, it is given that for cylindrical well, it's given that what is given? The radius means diameter is given 7 meter. Diameter is 7 meter, so it shows that radius is 7/2 meter and it is 20 meter deep. हमने आपको अभी बताया 20 मीटर डीप मीन्स इसकी हाइट, दैट सिलेंड्रिकल वेल की हाइट 20 मीटर. सो एंड द हाइट h is equals to 20 meter. This is all about this cylindrical well. Now after digging it, the earth came from it, that is evenly spread out to form a cuboidal platform. So for cuboidal platform and for cuboidal platform, for cuboidal platform, length is given 22 meter, breadth is given 14 meter, and the question is asking find the height of this platform. So let height of this platform be h meter. Let height of platform is equals to h meter, right? After writing all the information related to this question, अभी हम अपना कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे. और कॉन्सेप्ट हमारा क्या कहता है? कॉन्सेप्ट हमारा ये कहता है कि प्लेटफॉर्म का जो वॉल्यूम होगा वही वॉल्यूम उस सिलेंड्रिकल वेल का वॉल्यूम होगा. This is the concept related to the conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. So here we know that therefore the volume of cuboidal platform equals to the volume of cylindrical well. Okay, so friend, this is the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another. The volume of this cylindrical well is going to be reformed in the form of cuboidal platform. So question is asking what is the height of this platform. So as it is a cuboidal, so what is volume of cuboid? That is length into breadth into height. So length into breadth into height is capital H is equals to the volume of cylindrical well is the formula having pi r square and h, pi r square and h, height of this one. We have used this information for the cylinder and these information for the cuboid. So let us find out. So we have to write the values. So capital H is equals to pi r square h upon L into B. So let us substitute the values of this one. So pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square. R is 7 by 2 whole square. So 7 upon 2 whole square multiplied by height is 20 meter. Divided by length into breadth. This is pi 22 upon 7. Length of this is given 22 meter and breadth is 14 meter. So all the units are in meter. So अभी जो भी वैल्यू आएगी सिंप्लीफाई करने पर वो वैल्यू वो हाइट की वैल्यू होगी और उसका यूनिट मीटर ही होगा. So let's find out. Let's simplify this one. So h is equals to 22 into 7 7 are 49 multiplied by 20 divided by 7 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 14 and divided by this one 2 2s are 4. So let's simplify. 22 is cancelled. From 7 7 7s are 49 and this 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, by 4, 4 5 is 20. So you got the value of capital H, which is 5 by 2 meter, or you can say 2.5 meter is your answer. It means after spread out the earth of this cylindrical well, we will get the platform of cuboidal shape of height 2.5 meters. So we need to write down our answer. Our answer is, so the height of platform is 2.5 meter. So friends, hope you all are well understand this question. अगर आपको कहीं भी कोई confusion, कोई problem लगे तो प्लीज़ क्वेश्चन अराइज कीजिएगा. एक बार मैं फिर से आपको समझा देता हूँ. Your question is given, a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meter by 14 meter, then find the height of the platform. I think question का meaning आप सबको समझ में आया होगा, right? Then we have to write down as here two shapes, means cylindrical well, इसकी मिट्टी जो निकल रही है उसको क्यूबॉइडल प्लेटफॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया जा रहा है. Now we have to write down both the information here for the cylindrical well and for the cuboidal platform. So for cylindrical well, it's given that diameter is 7 meter. If diameter is 7 meter, so radius will be 7 by 2 meter. And it is 20 meter deep. So height हमने लिया 20 meter because depth of the well is also called the height of the cylinder. Right. For the cuboidal platform, length is given 22 meter, breadth is given 14 meter. So it is asking find the height of platform. So we have written let height of platform is capital H. Now according to the concept, you know that for concept means the topic, conversion of solid from one shape to another, means in this concept we have read when we are converting the solid from one shape to another shape, इन दोनों solids के volumes क्या होते हैं, equal होते हैं. So we have taken volume of cuboidal platform is equals to volume of cylindrical well. So length cuboidal it is, so length, breadth into height, and pi r square h is the volume of cylinder. After substituting the values, we got the value of height of this cuboidal platform, which is 2.5 meter. So we have written, so the height of platform is 2.5 meter. Okay friends, so let's see the next sum of the exercise. Question number 4 is given of the same exercise 13.3. It is just same as the question of the previous one, but a little bit different. उस difference को हमें समझना है, and after getting the difference of the question, the previous question and in this question, then we have to solve. Let's read the question clearly, carefully. Given that a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep, right? Question is given, a well is dug of diameter 3 meter and 14 meter deep. Once again the question arising, a well is in the shape of cylinder. So here that cylindrical well is going to dug जिसका diameter 3 meter है और it is deep 14 meter, means its height means cylindrical, the height of cylindrical well is 14 meter. Diameter is 3 meter, so radius will be 3 by 2. Radius is 3 by 2 meter, means what you can say 1.5 meter is the radius of the well, and it is 14 meter deep, means the height of this cylindrical well is 14 meter. Now the question is given, the earth taken out from it. जब इसको खुदा जा रहा है, जो मिट्टी उससे निकल रही है वेल से, द अर्थ टेकन आउट फ्रॉम इट हैज बीन स्प्रेड इवनली और अराउंड इट। मीन्स इस वेल की मिट्टी को जो निकल रही है उसको इसके चारों तरफ, दैट इज स्प्रेड आउट ऑल अराउंड ऑफ दिस वेल, इसके चारों तरफ वो मिट्टी फैलाई जा रही है। दिस इज ऑल अराउंड इट इन द शेप ऑफ अ सर्कुलर रिंग। तो अभी सर्कुलर रिंग्स यू आर गेटिंग, दिस सर्कुलर रिंग्स आर यू आर गेटिंग given that in the form of a circular ring of 4 meter to form an embankment. So question एक बार फिर से समझो बेटा, embankment, the word is used over here, so this part, this shaded part is called embankment. अगर आपको प्रैक्टिकली कहीं आपके विलेज में देखने को मिले कि कुआं और कुएं के चारों तरफ embankment बना रहता है, that is called here circular ring, or you can say it is embankment, और इस embankment की कुछ हाइट भी होती है। This circular ring is formed of this embankment, means embankment is in the form of circular ring. Its width is 4 meter. To form of an embankment, find the height of this embankment. means इसकी हाइट हमें बतानी है। कुएं की मिट्टी जो निकलती है उसको एम्बैंकमेंट बनाने में यहां पे जब फैलाया जाएगा तो वो कितना ऊंचा, वो मिट्टी कितने ऊंचे तक रहेगी, कितना ऊंचा उठेगा, वही हाइट हमको बतानी है। तो आई थिंक आपको वर्ड एम्बैंकमेंट और सर्कुलर रिंग, दे बोथ आर सेम। सर्कुलर रिंग और एम्बैंकमेंट, एम्बैंकमेंट इज द अर्थ spread around the well is called embankment. It looks in the form of circular ring. ये जो मैंने आपको फिगर ड्रॉ करके बताया है, यह उस वेल का टॉप व्यू मैंने दिखाया है, क्योंकि हम और साइड व्यू या फिर फ्रंट व्यू या बैक व्यू कुछ आपको शो नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज द 3 डायमेंशनल एंड दिस आर बोर्ड इज 2 डायमेंशनल। आप इस क्वेश्चन को तभी समझ सकते हो जब आपको इस क्वेश्चन का फिगर आपके माइंड में क्रिएट करना होगा। सो लेट अस ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, दिस व्यू इज द टॉप व्यू ऑफ योर embankment, or you can say the well. Understood? In this a word is used, circular ring. Circular ring, so you should know what is the area of this circular ring, the formula. So the area of circular ring, to find out this we have to explain. You don't worry, पहले तो हमें इस फिगर को अपने माइंड में क्रिएट करना होगा और accordingly we have to solve this question, right? Sure. So let us write down all the information related to this question. As it is asking find the height of embankment, embankment की height को बताना है। So first of all let's write, then let us, in the solution of this question, let us, height of this embankment is, let the height of this embankment is h unit. Okay, so let the height of embankment is h unit. That was the question. जो question पूछा, that we have supposed first of all find the height of embankment, so the height of embankment is h unit, right? Now for this circular ring information you have to write down. For circular, or you can say this, for cylindrical well, for cylindrical well, for cylindrical well, its diameter is 3 meter. Diameter is 3 meter, so radius is 3 by 2 meter. Radius is 3 by 2 meter and it is 14 meter deep. It means its height is capital H is equals to 14 meter. Its height is 14 meter is given, right? Now, after taking out the earth of this well, जब इस वेल को खोदा जा रहा है उसकी मिट्टी जो निकल रही है, that earth is spread out to form an embankment of this well, right? So this you are getting in the form of a circular ring. So for circular ring, or you can say for embankment, for circular ring, the inner radius is given 3 by 2 meter, which is the radius of well also. Outer radius, that is capital R, which is 3 by 2 plus 4 meter. 3 by 2 plus 4, because this is the width of this is given 4 meter, right? So this is equals to 4 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11 by 2 meter, right? And this circular ring of height H unit you have taken. Height is H unit you have taken, right? So with the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another shape, you know the formula. The volume of this circular ring is equals to the volume of this cylindrical well. So let us use the volume of circular ring from the concept volume of circular ring, or you can say volume of embankment. Volume of embankment is equals to volume of cylindrical well. Volume of cylindrical well, right? Now to find out the volume of this embankment, we need the area of this circular ring. So the area of circular ring multiplied by the height which is required in this. Area of circular, this volume of embankment can be written as area of circular ring multiplied by height, that is H, is equals to the volume of cylindrical well, which is pi r square into H. So let us substitute the values of this. First of all, we need to write down the volume of circular ring. So volume of circular ring or area of circular ring is pi capital R square, means we have to find out the area of this bigger circle minus the area of this smaller one, which is well. So the area of this circular ring can be written as pi into capital R square minus small r square into height is small h is equals to the pi r square, radius is 3 by 2 whole square into height is 14 meter. So let us simplify this equation, we will get our answer easily. Pi is cancelled from both the side. Now substitute the value of capital R minus small r into height, that we have to simplify. Now the square of capital R, the value of capital R is 11 upon 2 whole square, 11 upon 2 whole square minus small r is equals to 3 by 2 whole square into h is equals to 3 3s are 9 multiplied by 14 upon 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So let us simplify it. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b, means 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and multiplied by 11 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So let us find it. 11 by 2 plus 3 upon 2 in one bracket, in second 11 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2 into h. This is the formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. With the help of that formula we have written this is. Now this is 9 7s are 63 upon 2 is equal to, right? So let us find the sum of this. 11 plus 3 is 14 upon 2. 14 upon 2 multiplied by 11 minus 3, which is 8 upon 2 multiplied by h is equals to 63 upon 2. So let us simplify this equation here. As you got 14 upon 2 multiplied by 8 upon 2 multiplied by height of the embankment, which is equals to 63 upon 2. So let us simplify. 2 7s are 14 and 2 4s are 8. So you got 7 4s are 28 into height is equals to 63 upon 2. So the height is equals to 63 upon 2 into 28. So let us simplify by 7. 7 9s are 63 and 7 4s are 28. Now we got the value of height, which is 9 upon 8 meter, or you can say 1 integer 1 by 8 meter is the height of embankment. This is the height of embankment. 8 1s are 8 plus 1 9. So 1 integer 1 upon 8 meter is the height of this embankment. So write your answer. As it was asking the height of embankment, so the height of embankment is 1 integer 1 upon 8 meter. So friends, आई थिंक आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. नहीं भी समझ में आया होगा तो एक बार हम आपको फिर से रिवाइज करके बताते हैं. उस रिवीजन में जो भी आपको कन्फ्यूजन होगा, जो भी डाउट्स होगी, रियली आई होप दैट इट विल बी क्लियर. वो आसानी से आप उसको समझ सकते हो. एक बार फिर से क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, अ वेल ऑफ डायमीटर 3 मीटर इज डग 14 मीटर डीप. एक सिलेंड्रिकल वेल है, उस सिलेंड्रिकल वेल का डायमीटर 3 मीटर इज गिवन एंड इट इज 14 मीटर डीप, मीन्स द हाइट ऑफ दैट सिलेंडर इज 14 मीटर. द अर्थ टेकन आउट ऑफ इट हैज बीन स्प्रेड आउट इवनली ऑल अराउंड इट. और उस वेल से जो मिट्टी निकलती है, उस मिट्टी को उस वेल के चारों तरफ फैला दिया जाता है लाइक दिस. द अर्थ टेकन आउट इट has been evenly spread out around of this well. इस वेल के ही चारों तरफ उसको स्प्रेड किया जा रहा है. What? The earth which is taken out from the well. इस वेल से ही जो निकला वो अर्थ, जो मिट्टी निकली, उसको इस फॉर्म में, सर्कुलर फॉर्म में स्प्रेड किया गया और उससे क्या बना? एम्बैंकमेंट बना. In the shape of circular ring of 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of embankment. So after writing the each and every information, that first we have written the let the height of embankment is h unit. After getting that, after supposing that this is height of the embankment is h unit, so for cylindrical well, diameter is 3 meter, radius is 3/2 meter. So height as it is 14 meter deep. So deep का मीनिंग मैंने आपको फिर से एक बार बताया, इस डीप को हम हाइट ऑफ दैट सिलेंड्रिकल बोलेंगे, सिलेंड्रिकल वेल बोलेंगे. हाइट इज 14 मीटर वी हैव टेकन. दिस इज फॉर द सिलेंड्रिकल वेल. नाउ फॉर द सर्कुलर रिंग, दिस सर्कुलर रिंग which is looking in the form, it is looking in the form of circular ring, but actually it is an embankment. ये एक embankment है. सर्कुलर रिंग क्या होता है? सर्कुलर रिंग इज 2D शेप, लेकिन embankment क्या होता है? ये 3D शेप होता है. जब आप इसका टॉप व्यू देखेंगे तो ये embankment जिसकी कुछ हाइट भी होती है, ये आपको 2D के ही शेप में, मीन सर्कुलर रिंग के ही शेप में दिखेगा. So for the circular ring, radius is 3/2, which is small inner radius of this, and the outer radius is capital R let, and this capital R is equals to 3/2 plus 4, which is 11/2 meter. And let the height of this embankment which is asking, that is h unit. So by the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another shape, we have the concept that the volume of embankment is equals to the volume of cylindrical well. To find out the volume of embankment, we should know the area of this embankment, and area of this embankment is the area of circular ring. So area of circular ring multiplied by height. Area में आप height का multiply करते हैं, so that you will get the volume, which is equals to the pi r square h, which is the volume of this cylindrical well. इसको calculate किया, substituting the values of these things, हमें इसकी height of the embankment we got 1 integer 1/8 meter. So the height of the embankment is 1 integer 1 upon 1 whole 1 upon 8 meter of this. You can convert it into the decimal if you want to convert it into the decimal. So it can be written as 1.8 1 is 8, 2 is remaining, 8 2 is 16, and 4 is remaining, 8 5 is 40. So it can be written in the form of decimal also, 1.125 meter also. So दोस्तों, आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन आई थिंक पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन लगे तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. यू आर फ्री टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन.